आज चाहिँ म रेज गार्डन बनाउँदैछु।
Its dimensions are going to be 8 feet long, 4 feet wide, and 10 inches high. To do that, I went to Home Depot and got 2 inches by 10 inches by 8 feet long 3 pieces. Two of those 3 pieces worked as lengths, and the third 8 feet, I got it cut in the middle, so that gave two 4 feet wide pieces. And because I was doing two raised gardens, I bought 3 more pieces and got the third 8 feet long cut again into two 4 feet long pieces. I also bought 8 pieces of 4-inch by 4-inch angles, thinking that a piece of angle at each corner will provide enough strength to the raised garden boxes. But it did not give enough stability, so I went back to buy 2 inches by 4 inches by 9 inches high wooden piece, and that gave me the stability that I wanted. I started by placing an angle at each of the corners, and I used 1.25 nails, and I already had 1.25 nails and hammer at home. But when I decided to add a wooden piece inside for the stability, I had to buy 3-inch screws, and I already had a Ryobi driver at home. Like I said earlier, I started with placing an angle at each of the corners and used 1.25 nails. And here I am left with the 8th corner to put a wooden piece on the inner corner. And if you are watching this video and are planning to prepare a raised garden box, I recommend that you do not need to buy the angles, because the wooden piece is what you want, and that will make your raised garden box stable. And after doing all these work, these are my first ever raised garden boxes.